Thank you for joining us at the Children's Discovery Center. Up next, Lani Moo and Calci Calcium's cooking show. Enjoy! Hi boys and girls, my name is Calci Calcium and this is my best friend, Lani Moo. And today, we're going to be making a delicious and healthy snack. It's a pineapple, banana, mango, orange juice smoothie. Something super easy that you can make at home. Just grab a blender, some ingredients, and of course, an adult to help you. So let's get to it.
Half a cup fresh cut pineapple. 1/2 of a banana sliced. 1 cup frozen mango. 1 carton of Meadow Gold vanilla low-fat yogurt. 3/4 of a cup Meadow Gold 100% orange juice with calcium.
So first we'll start with our fresh pineapple. Then we have our freshly cut bananas. And last, our frozen mangoes. Get them all in there. All right, once we have all the fruits in there, we'll add our vanilla yogurt. Oop, there we go. Looking yummy. And then we have our orange juice, full of calcium. Put that together in the blender. This is where you need adult supervision. Put the blender right on top and all right, take this off. Looks delicious. Have our 2 glasses here, ready to pour. Cheers. Thanks friends, thanks for cooking with Lani and Calci.